Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. Got a lot of action today. I'm Gary Christians. Yeah, I know. I'm a van guy. I got vans. We've been working really hard to get them all in the can edited so you can see them today. 2018 Coachmen Crossfit 22. It's the rear couch unit with 18,000 miles. Get out of here. It's awesome. Now this is on the Ford Transit chassis. Does have a nice entry grab handle, a slider screen door to close this off. Passenger seat swivels. Come on inside, let's take a peek. Battery disconnect switch right there. Get some lights on. So you got a nice forward-facing couch in the back. Hit the button, it slides out, makes it into twin beds. You fill the center spot in, turns into a nice queen bed. It's got nice window treatments. Here's your privacy. Here's the screen. You just split them apart if you want them open, or you choose which one you'd like. Entertainment centers here in the back. DVDs up above. Got cup holders here on both sides. If you have guests in the back, they have a place to put their water or coffee. Got good storage up above, all the way down. Heavy duty hinges, all real wood. USB ports, 12 volt outlet, 110 outlet, and then you've got your circuit breakers and fuse panel down here, propane detector. Nice drawer space. You can put trash cans in here, 1 or 2. They're all self-closing. You have to push them to lock them when you travel. Look at that, all solid wood. Very nice. And the lock for travel. Recessed 2-burner stove, igniter here on top, recessed sink, periscope up. That way it's out of the way for a better counter space. Little heat shield here. Compressor refrigerator. I really like this because when you get, gonna unlock it. When you get to your freezer, not too often, but it's easy to get at what you're looking for. Or the refrigerator, which you use more, is nice big space up here. So you picked up a nicer refrigerator, more efficient because of the compressor system. Microwave up on top. Here's your closet. You can take your shelves out, they're all adjustable. If you want to leave one in and just hang short items like a shirt in here, or take them all out. Bathroom. It's got a nice bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. It's got a nice little mirror place here to put your shower head up on top. Cover for your toilet paper and little rack space here for your soaps. Nice little light. And this part of the door makes this a bigger area to space out, when you go like this. Little magazine rack outside. Storage up above. Nice deep space. All your control panels are up here if you'll take a look. The Truma water system is right here. I turned it off. Solar control panel. Generator remote start switch. It's got 59 hours. All your tank capacities are here. Awning light. It's got an electric awning. The controls right here. And battery disconnect. So now I've cut off the battery. Let's pop outside and we'll go take a look at what's going on out here. As I mentioned, it's on a Ford Transit chassis. It does have dualies. And this bad boy will haul down the road and tow 5,000 pounds very comfortably. Truma exhaust. There's very low output here. 110 outlet. Trailer hitch, up to 5,000 pounds. Electrical. Echo boost. It's got turbocharged, man. It'll take you right up the hill. Backup cameras up here. Here's your storage access from the rear. Want a screen? You got one. Then it's got a pull down privacy screen. We got some storage here in the back. Tabletops are in here. That also helps make the bed down. Table leg, outdoor shower hose, water hose, sewer hose, battery or a jack if you need to, if you really want to change your own spare tire. Most everybody's got roadside assistance. It's got a 2800 watt Onan micro-light generator, runs off gasoline off your tank. Exhaust is right back here. Fresh water fill, city water, black water flush, satellite hookup, power hookup, outdoor shower hookup, and then your dump is right down there, easy to get to. Gasoline, about 15 miles per gallon. I know you must have a ton of questions. When you call in, ask for the van guy, or better yet, call me direct, 541-554-9581. Thank you.